Hey folks, Nate again. So just a follow up to my previous video on washing an asphalt roof with oxygen bleach. In early March of 2018, Cape Cod had a major nor'easter blow through. We had days and days of high winds with gusts in the upper 90s. A lot of roofs were damaged, including, it turns out, that red roof building on Route 6A in Orleans that I had featured in the previous video. I don't know for sure, but I'm just going to assume based on what I've seen from the road that at some point soon that whole front roof is going to be replaced and they'll have new shingles on there. It's unfortunate, but I wanted to make a follow-up video explaining to anyone who might live locally and see these videos and drive by and see a new roof over there. Just wanted to explain what's happened. It's unfortunate, but that's life. Um, as a side note, I've gotten lots and lots of emails, texts, phone calls, inquiries about oxygen bleach and roof cleaning in general. I appreciate all the inquiries. I'll do what I can to help answer questions. I am working on some more videos, so I'll get these out ASAP. Stay tuned. Thank you.